Alaris Group of Companies, the brainchild of Chairman and Managing Director Mr. Tharanga Veeravardhana, who is a futuristic entrepreneur, began operations in 2002 and includes 3 Sri Lankan companies, which provide an annual revenue of more than 4 billion rupees. The group has been able to achieve a leading market position in the local pharmaceuticals and cosmetic industry. The continuous growth of our business has been able to provide more than 500 employment opportunities. Alaris Lanka Private Limited and Highcare Pharma Private Limited are 2 of Sri Lanka's leading import and marketing companies and ranked among the top 10 advertisers in the country. Their brands such as Fascia and Lea dominate the beauty supplement market. They cover more than 100 cosmeceutical products and over 250 pharmaceutical products for more than 12 years within the Sri Lankan market. The 2 companies deploy more than 250 marketing, promotional and sales staff throughout the island, forming one of the strongest distribution platforms using more than 100 dedicated distributors for business island-wide. Since the country has more than a 700 billion annual demand for the pharmaceutical sectors and more than a 400 billion cosmeceutical demand, a visionary decision was taken by the management to set up a high-quality technological and modern BOI-approved manufacturing facility called Ace Healthcare Private Limited in Horana, Sri Lanka. With the innovative knowledge of CEO of the Alaris Group, Dr. Engineer Tushara Veeravardhana, who is a graduate from the University of Moratuwa in Electrical Engineering and obtained his PhD from the University of Bremen, Germany in Mobile and Wireless Communication, he was also the Dean of the Engineering Faculty of the Kuthalabala Defence University and a Senior Lecturer. Ace Healthcare Manufacturing Facility, a state-of-the-art plant, was designed to comply with WHO CGMP, US FDA and EU GMP standards with ISO and Green certification to cater to both local and international market demands. The strategical decision to invest US $28 million was made to recover the country's economic backdrop by preserving the outgoing local reserves and gaining foreign currency through the development of export market. Further, the new manufacturing plant creates more than 300 direct employment opportunities and more than 500 indirect job opportunities for our citizens. From the design perspective, the plant will cater to prime requirements of avoiding contamination of personal and facility developments. The manufacturing plant is isolated from service platforms such as administrative, cafeterias, security and visiting staff centers, power distribution systems and all utilities. Therefore, many contaminations due to personal, administrative and material movement are avoided by the design itself. Modern, modularized and zone-based clean room design eliminates the airborne microbes such as bacteria, virus and many air-flown funguses. The formulation plant is to be included with high technological and automated machineries, technologically advanced protective security systems, advanced quality control laboratories, research and development laboratories and the microbiology laboratory in order to eliminate high-quality manufacturing, processing and product plan forms which are in conformance with international standards and guidelines. The project is developed under 3 distinctive phases which creates stepwise marketing deployments and catering to the distinctive and volatile marketing challenges. Phase 1, Herbal, Cosmetic and Ayurvedic Plant Development. Phase 2, Pharmaceutical, Oral and Liquid Solids and Dermatology Plant Development. Phase 3, Cosmeceuticals and Nutraceuticals Plant Development. The first phase of the project, the development of Ayurveda and herbal cosmetics, is currently under operation by providing herbal and Ayurvedic cosmetic products to the national and international markets. The commercial production was commenced from July 2019 and so far more than 230 million sales revenue are earned by ACE by successfully deploying the 2 brands, Lea and Offmarks, to the Sri Lankan market. The Research and Development Department of ACE Healthcare has formulated a new herbal cosmetic product range called Swaba Salon with 14 categories, as the need has been identified for a low-cost herbal cosmetic range which would appeal to the masses and will be deployed island-wide by April 2020. Currently, the commercial manufacturing is ongoing at the plant premises. Many raw materials for herbal cosmetics and packaging materials can be found in Sri Lanka, and therefore many self-motivated job opportunities are created through the supply of the raw and packaging materials. The Ayurvedic and herbal cosmetic ranges is focusing on the EU market, and currently ACE has already started exports to Ukraine and Baltic countries. ACE will be launching the Lear and Off-Marks product ranges at Pro Beauty Export Exhibition to be held in Ukraine. Phase 2: Pharmaceutical, Oral and Liquid Solids and Dermatology Plant Development. In this facility, we will be able to make all types of general formulations like anti-diabetic, antihistamine, anti-allergic, antipyretic, anti-inflammatory, statins, antihypertensive, non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs, multivitamins, antifungal, liquids, suspensions, antacids, iron preparations, enzymes, multivitamins, non-aqueous liquids, pediatric drops. Dermatology preparations includes ointments, creams and gel manufacturing. With a bulk capacity of 500 kilograms, we are able to manufacture a wide range of antibacterial, anti-burn, anti-allergic, anti-infection formulations. To provide green energy to the manufacturing plant, a 150 kilowatt solar power system is installed in the rooftop of the plant. The manufacturing plant strictly complies to LEED Green certification guidelines to be committed to the eco-friendly practices of worldwide trends and goals to minimize the impact of carbon footprint on the environment. ACE Effluent Treatment Plant is designed to reuse 100% of the wastewater generated by the formulation plant. It is a biological grade plant with zero discharge so that no waste is discharged to the environment, and high quality purified water is used for all factory activities. The current reuse water capacity is more than 15,000 litres per day. The treatment plant has the approval of the Environmental Authority. An incinerator is operated at 1200 centigrade to destroy the solid waste from the factory.